everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video for you guys. Listen, this wig is giving natural and I'm living for this hairline, and I'm going to show you guys how I install this wig from start to finish, literally fresh out the box. To melt my wig down, I'm going to be applying my wig cap first, and I'm using a HD wig cap. You can get these on Amazon. I'll link it in the description box down below. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some Bold Hole liquid gold to my hairline right by the forehead to melt this wig cap down. Now while my bald cap is here doing its thing, because I have to let this dry and it takes around like 5 to 10 minutes to dry, I'm going to show you guys the wig and show you what it looks like fresh out the box. And the wig that I'll be rocking today is from WowAfrican Hair. I have worn their wigs before in the past, and I will tell you this, the new wigs that they have been coming out with recently, I've tried 3 of the new wigs recently, and when I tell you these hairline, they're clean. Like, they are tweezed to perfection. You literally do not need to tweeze the hair whatsoever. As for bleaching the knots, you don't need to bleach the knots. However, I am a bit of a perfectionist, so let me see how the knots is looking on this one. I went with black hair, and it's the kinky textured wig that I will be showing you guys today. This is what the wig looks like fresh out the box. It does have a bit of texture to it, kind of have like, if I straighten it, it will have more of a relaxer look, so it's not bone straight hair. And this is what the hairline is looking like, you guys. Like, are you seeing that? I literally do not have to tweeze this. So yeah, that is what the hairline is looking like. It looks really clean. As for bleaching the knots, I really don't have to bleach it. I see a little bit of knots, dark, but it's not that serious. Like, I could still get away with not bleaching the knots on this wig. You guys always ask, how does the wig look in the back? And most wigs, they have a comb in the back to secure it in the back. So this is what I use in the back. And this one is a lot larger than the one on the side, so it fits in the back perfectly. As for the ones in the side, I always talk about this, guys. I don't know why wig companies put this in the wigs, because I do not use these at all. I don't know anyone who uses these. They don't make any sense to me. I feel like all they do is just pull on your edges. I always take these out and I leave the one in the back. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut off that extra, this is not lace. I'm gonna cut off the extra wig cap that I don't need anymore. I'm just using some makeup wipes just to wipe away any of that product that is sitting on my forehead, because I want my skin to be nice and clean for when I apply my wig. Because this wig cap is super thin, I have to go in with some foundation to cover the hair, or else when I put my wig on, all you're gonna see is my hair peeping through. So I'm gonna go in with a foundation that I would usually use on my face, so something that matches my skin as close as possible, just to use that to cover the hair. Okay, I'm actually getting my entire life from this hairline. Like, I don't have to do anything to this wig, and I love that. I love the fact that I can literally just pull it out the box, pop it in my head, and I don't have to tweeze it. I don't have to bleach it. Like, yes ma'am. Okay, now as you can see, the hairline is very low, so I'm gonna have to take some of this out because my hairline does not go that low, and it's just gonna look really unnatural on me. All right, so as you can see, I took out these 2 little pieces, and it's just to give the hairline a more natural, realistic look, because before it looked like it was just going straight across, and I kind of like that whole widow's peak look because I naturally have a widow's peak. Obviously mine does not go this low, but I naturally have one, so I like when my wigs have that. I had to go back in voiceover mode because I cannot talk and cut the lace at the same time. Okay, so I'm just gonna go ahead and cut away that ear part. This is the part I hate cutting the most, so make sure you're really patient with that. And I went in with this big scissors. I don't know what it's called. It's like one of those zigzag scissors. I saw it on TikTok. I wanted to try it, but kind of sucks. I don't really love it because it's really hard to use. Anyways, I'm applying some lace glue to my forehead area. You can use pretty much any lace glue brand that you love the most. The reason why I don't really mention the one that I use, it's because it's my own and it's not out yet. I know I've been talking about this forever, but I promise you it's coming out soon. I'm not even supposed to be talking about it at all, but yeah, anyways, so I'm applying it to my forehead area. I did 2 layers, so you want to wait until it dries clear and then go in with a second layer. Some people do 4 or 5 layers, but I don't plan on keeping this on for very long. I'm probably just gonna wear it for the day, but I'm definitely gonna wear this wig. I do wear my wigs more than once, guys. It's just that I don't really like sleeping in wigs. I'm just gonna go in with my hot comb now just to melt down that glue. You guys, I have changed my method on how I apply my wigs. You guys are used to me cutting my lace in sections because I always mention how much easier it is, and it is easier if you don't want to make a mistake and you're new to wigs, but I have been applying wigs for a while now, so I think I can do it this way, and I've tried this way and I really like how it looks. And I didn't add any glue to the side, so I'm going to do that right now. So you want to wait till it dries clear. I was a little impatient, just a little, so you can kind of see my glue, but don't worry, it's going to go away. So I went back in with my hot comb just to melt down the lace on this wig. Honestly, this lace looks so bomb and this hairline looks so bomb. Like, I'm very impressed with this. So I'm just tying it down right now, and I'm going to go in my blow dryer. And I just do this and melt the glue down. She is melted, and she's not even fully melted just yet, guys. I haven't even put on any like melting product, and I can already tell you this wig looks flawless. Now you see me took out some baby hairs right here. You guys know I don't really rock with the baby hair thing. Like I said, this wig, the hairline was very low, which I don't have a problem with that. I actually think it looks really good, but I have to make sure that it works with my face. You know, I don't want to have too much hair and then all my face is gone. So I'm taking out some of this hair so I can cut away all this extraness. And I'm just going to go in with this eyebrow razor and just cut it away. So I don't really hate the eyebrow razor to cut it, but I feel like when I use my scissors, I kind of have a little bit more control over how I like cut in my lace. I know everyone has their own preference on how they do things. Just really like going in with the scissors just to get the little tiny lace that the razor didn't get. Just gonna go ahead and I'm going to do my makeup off camera, and then I will finish styling up this wig and I will be right back. All right, so my makeup is all done. I'm gonna go ahead and start styling this wig. As you can see, like, we need to flatten her down a bit, so I'm actually gonna go in with my hot comb and flatten it. Honestly, I think I need to get a new hot comb because I feel like this one is not really heating up that well lately. Just gonna go in and part this wig. Okay, and I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of this hair wax right here just to flatten it down. I mean, this one's looking a little raggedy. I don't know where it's from. I think I got it with one of my wigs. So one of the wigs that I bought, I got this with it. And you can get hair wax from like Amazon, Sally's, any beauty supply store. You can find a hair wax that works best for you. This one is okay, gets the job done. And I really don't have any like favorites when it comes to this stuff. I mean, look how flat she looks. Listen, I am here for this wig. I'm loving the texture. Texture is definitely given. The lace is flawless. So I'm gonna go in with my flat iron, and this wig already had layers to it. It's 22 inches, but it's a little bit longer on me. I'm not the tallest person, guys. I'm like 5'5.5". I had to put the half in there. But yeah, I go in with my flat iron and just curl it under just so you can see the layers a bit more. And I'm gonna go in with my little baby curl. It's not curl knife, it's a baby flat iron, and I'm gonna create some little edges. You don't have to if you don't want to. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut some edges away, and I'm using my eyebrow razor. This is not the eyebrow razor, girl, get it together. This is one of those Sharon combs. I'm just cutting away the, hi baby, there's my baby. She wanted to come on here and say hi. So before I turn the microphone off, because I did not want to kill the battery, because I knew I was going to do some parts in voiceover. But yeah, let's get back to the hair. I'm gonna go in with some edge control. I don't remember the brand of the one that I use, but I will list it in the description box down below. And I'm just creating, like I said, just little natural looking baby hairs. I don't like the over the top stuff. It is not for me. It doesn't suit me. So I went in with some hair mousse, and I'm just gonna go ahead and melt down the lace now. So we're gonna melt down the lace. I left it on for about 5-10 minutes, and voila, this is the completed look. I'm so here for this wig. Like, this is gonna be one of my go-to wigs. I love the texture. I love how clean the hairline looks. Hopefully you guys learned something from this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Thumbs up the video if you do. I will see you guys in another video very soon. I love you guys, and thank you so much for watching. Bye.